Assalamualaikum, and my name is Muhammad Raziq bin Rahim, and today we're going to look at acid and bases. First of all, we are going to see the content of this topic that we are going to go through together. Firstly, the pH scale, acids, bases, and the reactions. And next, we are going to look into the pH scale. The pH scale is just a measure of acidity or alkaline a solution is, and it is measured on a scale of 0 to 14. Low numbers represents acidity and the high numbers represent otherwise. Now we can measure pH in some different ways, and the first one is using an indicator. The indicator is actually some chemical dyes that will change color depending on the pH of the solution. Usually we use the universal indicator and the color will change just like the pH scale given here. The next one is the pH probe and the pH meter. The pH probe will be dipped into the solution and the pH meter will show numerical numbers, and this way is more accurate and precise because this way does not have human judgment and is more reliable. Then the next thing we are going to look at is what does acid and bases actually mean. For acid, we can define acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ions when it is added to water, while base can be defined as a substance that releases hydroxide ions when it dissolves in aqueous medium. Meanwhile, alkalis is a subgroup of a base that is soluble in water to form a solution with a pH greater than 7. So this means alkalis is actually a substance that we need to dilute in water to make a base. Next, if acid and base react, we will get neutralization reaction that will produce salt and water. For example, if we take hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, we will get sodium chloride salt and H2O, that is water. The other way to explain this reaction of neutralization reaction is the hydrogen ion in acid will react with the hydroxide ion in base that will produce H2O. These are the common acid and base and their formulas. Acid will have hydrochloric, sulfuric and nitric, and for base we have hydroxide and carbonate base, and for example sodium hydroxide, calcium carbonate. Actually there is so many more, but this is the basic ones. I guess that's it for today, so thank you, and we will end this video with a quote that is: be positive, be like a proton. Thank you, see you again.